Hi, you got some big goals? Meet the simplest way to achieve them. It is called GoalOS, a smart Notion template that is gonna make you achieving your goals hella simpler. No more stressing over where to start and no more guesswork. Just type your goal as it is and voila, tasks generated instantly, like magic, but with the precision of AI. But why? I'm so tired of setting up templates for every new project and then running back to sticky notes just because it takes a lot of time. No more of that. Take a look at this dashboard. It is sleek, simple, and built to stay on top of your progress without overloading you with a lot more information. Whether it is a small project or a big goal, GoalOS is going to make it ridiculously easy to start working on it right away. Sometimes I just wonder how would my life be if GoalOS was there for me. Don't let that thought into your head. Get your copy of GoalOS today. Oh, it looks kind of blue.